Storm Psych Channel here, and today I'm going to the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G for Base Mobile. So if you guys are out there to get a with the smartphone on Base Mobile, the Galaxy A17 is for checking out here. It's available right there. You can pay monthly for this phone at $556 a month for 36 months or $69.99 for retail price for the phone. Or that's not like that. Might be a new customer offer there. So we'll see about that. So it's available in 128 gigabytes of storage there. It's the front of the phone right there, front and back of the phone right there. Take right match with some camera that power and 9 piece on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone is triple camera system, camera flash system audio. Like I said, the 128 gigabytes of storage starting at $69.99, but I'm pretty sure that's for new customers there. Um, yeah, let's go check the phone out. So that's front and back, front. Left side has a micro SD instant punch slot. Right side of the phone, power button, fingerprint sensor, 9 Ps. Back of the phone has a triple camera system, camera flash Samsung logo. The camera setup reminds me of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, kind of like the way the camera is set up. So that's pretty cool. I guess you guys like the way that the camera looks on your Samsung phone. So you guys go. Right side, power button, buying piece. Left side, SIM card, micro SD card slot on the left. Left side right there. Right side, front and back once more. Um, yeah, so it's $69.99 when you guys get the unlimited plan, $50 or higher. You have to be a new customer to get that. So that's a new customer deal right there for $69.99. Not bad. It's $556 a month for 36 months. Or it's $199.99 for retail price, no contract. So $200 to get this one outright. So yeah. The Galaxy A17 has a 6.7 display, 58 megapixel main camera, 47 hours of talk time, Android 16 on board. It says get the features you need at an awesome price for an awesome value with Galaxy A17 5G, packed with next level essentials in AI. Galaxy A17 brings incredible value while keeping you connected to everyday life. Features: your content super smooth. The screen on the Galaxy A17 5G is designed to pull you in with bright red detail, making your content easy on the eyes. 90 Hz refresh rate there, not bad. Memory is made picture perfect. Goddamn, it's so fucking cold out here. Shit. I'm freezing my ass off to record a video. But it's all good though. Just capture every angle and stunning clarity from wide family photos to close up of friends with triple lens camera. Even when your hands aren't perfectly steady, you will find less blur with optical you will find less blur with new optical image stabilization. So that's nice. Store more and wireless with internal storage and external storage options of up to 2 terabyte of external storage. Galaxy A17 gives you all the space you want, more durable than ever before. IP5 rating. What that means is like your phone's not waterproof, so don't submerge your phone in water. But if you guys get a little bit of water on your phone, you guys will be fine. So it's ready for IP5 rating for that. So yeah. 6 years of OS and 6 years of security updates. Very nice. You can keep your phone protected, efficient, and up to date longer, making it a great value for years to come. So that's very nice. So come to Android 16 with one more 8.0, and you guys will get Android up to Android 22 on the side. So very awesome. So yeah, awesome AI for awesome living. Fucking cold. It says discover more about the things you are using. It says discover more things about the things you see using simple search. Find a pair of shoes you like online. Simply circle them on your phone to find out the brand and where they are available. Circular search is a great feature. I use it all the time. It's an awesome feature, so definitely worth checking out there for that reason alone. So share what you see, get real time advice. Intrigued by something you see, open Gemini Live, then screen share or point your camera and edit for additional info or assistant on the fly. Great features. Watch Gemini Live. Gemini Live is awesome. I haven't used it personally. I haven't used it, but I hear that's pretty cool. So yeah, it does a wallet is already in your Galaxy. Samsung Wallet lets you carry your essentials in a single app, make payments, open doors, gain access by tapping your device. Switching is quick and easy. Move content and apps from your previous phone over to your new one with Smart Switch. A great app to have. Obviously, it comes with all Samsung phones. It's a great app to have if you're switching from a non-Samsung phone to a Samsung phone. Definitely worth getting for that. So, yeah. Specs. The Galaxy A17 has a 6.7-inch display, Full HD plus AMOLED 90Hz refresh rate, 5,000 mAh battery, 25 watts super fast charging, Exynos 1330 octa-core chipset, Android 16 with one UI 8.0. The Galaxy A17 weighs 6.77 ounces. Cameras, 50 megapixel main camera, which is a wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, 13 megapixel front camera, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of ROM. It has Wi-Fi 8 with 11 AVGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi with 5.3 NFC, of course. Dimensions on the Galaxy A17 is 6.47 inches height, 3.07 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. Other features include Samsung Wallet, Samsung Knox, Go Glass Victus, micro SD card support up to 2 terabyte. So take advantage of that. What's included with the Galaxy A17 5G is, of course, your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and SIM ejection pin. So send it soft in the box. And you guys will need a Type-C charging brick. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A17. It's not here at Boost Mobile. Definitely worth checking out. If you're a new customer, you can get this one for $69.99 with the purchase of a $50 plan or higher on Boost Mobile. If you're a current customer on Boost Mobile, it's $199.99. So basically, full retail price for the phone. If you guys are a current customer and you guys want this phone, it's $200. So definitely go check it out. If you guys are getting this as a new customer. It's $69.99 for new customers. It's $556 a month for 36 months, or $29.99 for existing customers and stuff like that. So definitely worth checking out. Very nice looking phone, specs, features, and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.